In this video, you will learn how to calculate the rank in Microsoft Excel. Currently, you can see here I have the data about the students. First column shows the student name and second column shows the marks of student, and I have calculated the rank on the basis of this data. In addition, you will also learn how to sort your data according to rank. Currently, you can see here I have rearranged this data according to rank. If this video is helpful for you, then please like this video and subscribe our channel for more informative videos. So let's learn how to calculate the rank and how to rearrange data in Microsoft Excel using sort function. In a separate sheet, I have already entered the data. To save time, firstly you will learn how to calculate the rank. Firstly, select the cell where you want to enter the result. I will select this cell. After selecting that particular cell, put equal sign and write rank. Currently, you can see a rank option appeared here. Double click on it. Now firstly select the number, this one, put comma sign. After that it will ask reference values, select all numbers. Now lock these numbers, click here and press Fn plus F4. Microsoft Excel will insert $sign, it means that these values are locked. Again click here and repeat this procedure, Fn plus F4. Now you can see a $sign appeared here, it means that these values are also locked. After that put comma sign. Now it will ask you either you want to rank these numbers in descending order or ascending order. I want to rank these numbers on the basis of descending order because I want to rank the value which was highest. So I will select this one, double click on it. After doing that, simply close the parenthesis and hit enter key. Now you can see here Microsoft Excel has calculated the rank of this particular student. Now select the cell. Place your cursor at the corner and drag it down to calculate the rank for remaining students. Now you can see here we have successfully calculated the ranks of all students. Now if you want to sort your data according to rank, select this one. Here you will find the option of sort and filter. Click here and I will choose from smallest to largest. Click here. It will ask you Microsoft Excel found data next to your selection. Since you have not selected this data, it will not be sorted. I will select expand the selection and click on sort. Now you can see here our data is arranged according to our requirement. That's the end of this video. Thanks for watching this video. Goodbye.